For over 40 years, early childhood educators have trusted the creative curriculum to support them in building comprehensive, high-quality, and engaging preschool programs that promote positive child outcomes. The Creative Curriculum for Preschool Guided Edition features the most current research and best practices. It promotes inquiry, discovery, and hands-on exploration as the foundation for all learning, and encourages academic rigor alongside whole child development. And when combined with the power of a subscription to the Creative Curriculum Cloud, you'll have the resources to transform your planning, teaching, and family engagement experiences inside the classroom and beyond. The Creative Curriculum for Preschool Guided Edition offers a comprehensive collection of research-based, unique, high-quality resources that give you the support to confidently foster the development and learning for all children in all learning environments for every moment across the entire day. At Teaching Strategies, we know that not all children develop skills and knowledge at the same rate. And it's not until you meet a child at exactly where she is developmentally that you can effectively promote success towards progressing to the expected benchmark. Which is why, at the heart of the creative curriculum are 38 research-based objectives for development and learning that feature a unique color-coded progression. This progression gives you the insight of how a skill develops over time and how to confidently and effectively individualize and scaffold children's learning. As you look to continuously elevate your professional practice, you'll find the 7 foundation volumes helpful in sharing the theory, research, strategies, and best practices for teaching young children, engaging with families, and supporting development and learning in all areas. From a Getting Started guide to the first 6 weeks Building Your Classroom Community Teaching Guide, to 8 additional teaching guides that feature studies or project-based investigations, you'll have the comprehensive support to create a successful, fun learning experience and promote development of the whole child. Based on feedback directly from the field, the teaching guides have been redesigned to better meet your needs and help you feel successful from day one. Each study lasts 4 weeks and includes a comprehensive material list that helps you plan and prepare for the study. Structured and detailed daily plans give you the step-by-step guidance to intentionally guide children's development and learning in all areas throughout each day. Embedded coaching and support help you transition to a project-based approach. Support and include all children. Engage in meaningful and authentic formative assessment processes, build strong family partnerships, and reflect on your teaching practice. With these intentional and carefully curated daily plans, children will engage in hands-on, meaningful learning experiences that integrate critical academic skills. Each day, children will engage in a targeted math or literacy small group experience and in a large group shared writing experience. With support to help you build a math and literacy-rich environment, children will have opportunities throughout the day to practice these key skills in authentic experiences during transitions, read-alouds, choice time, and even while outdoors. The Creative Curriculum Cloud provides access to your curriculum materials digitally, offers interactive planning tools, and provides critical family engagement tools and resources to help you ensure developmentally appropriate learning occurs across all environments, in the home, in the classroom, or in a flexible model across the 2 settings. Feel confident in preparing all children for kindergarten. Receive guidance to help you individualize instruction, have the tools to transition seamlessly between distance and traditional environments, and bring meaningful learning experiences to life with the Creative Curriculum for Preschool Guided Edition.